So we're going to show you how to make a smoothie. So what we've got is some strawberries and berries. You can buy these fresh or frozen. So we're going to go with a handful of that. We have half a banana. We've got some mango, going to go with a handful of that. We've got some chia seeds, the CBD, and half a glass of water. So simply, got the blender again. This is nice and simple. So you're getting your berries and your strawberries going in. Your mixed berries there. Got some mango going in, handful of that. Half a banana. Just pinch it at the bottom. Half banana going in. Chia seeds, great superfood once again. So just 1 teaspoon going in. I've got a half a glass of water going in. And then once again, really important for your requirement, like I said, mine is 5 drops. So we're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gone in. Perfect. Then we're going to blend again. So lid on, just keeping it nice and solid. Okay, absolutely beautiful, look. Smells great. That is my favourite one to date. Hi there! So, what am I saying? I missed the tumble. Right, so we are going to show you a smoothie with different fruits. So I'm showing you, why do I clap in? If you're happy and you know, clap your hands.